Okay, let's make a small bow for our Christmas tree. Well, the hardest part for me is the small part, because I always like to make big bows. Well, my tree is small. It's a pencil type tree, so I don't want to overpower it. So I'm going to go on the ezbow maker 4 inches on one side with the first loop. And 4 inches on the other. And that's our first loop for our bow. My next ribbon is a snowman ribbon, because my theme of my tree this year is going to be snowmen, red and white, and black and white buffalo plaid. And this one here, I want to go the same, 4 inches. And I'll adjust one up and one down. Then I'm going to add the 1.5 inch which I'm going to do about 3 inches on that, 2 or 3 inches. This one's probably be about 2. Then I'm going to do just a little, one loop of buffalo plaid. And that I will make 3 of these bows. That will go in our tree that we're going to decorate together here on my channel. I will decorate this tree step by step. I'm spinning the ribbon and not the pipe cleaner, and then I can go in and adjust the tails. Pop that center loop out. Go in there and pull to make sure they're all even. And give it another spin. Pop those loops out. Don't be afraid to get your fingers in there. And the tails. Remember, rock, paper, scissors? Well, to straighten your tails out, if they're curled up, you just go use the scissors. Rock, paper, scissors with your fingers and bring them right down the loops, and that straightens them up. And if you want them to curl, you just take a pencil and roll them around a pencil and they will curl if you want your tails to curl. Mine, I'm not sure whether I want them to curl yet, but I do want to make sure they're all dovetailed. So I'm going to go and make sure they're all dovetailed. Which dovetail is just fold it in half and trim it. And you just go to each one and make sure they're all have the dovetail. Which the dovetail is a V cut. Okay, which one can you see best? See, there's what a dovetail is. It's the V cut and your tail's a ribbon. And now I can go back, and if I decide I want to curl some of these on the tree, I can. For our tree, I'll probably make 3 of these because, like I said, I got a small pencil type tree. I don't want to overpower them with bows, because I do have we do have long tails on our tree topper that we're going to make, because we're going to do an over-the-top showstopper tree topper. Including a tree topper bow and all kinds of picks coming out from that bow, and I'll show you how you can do that. Bye. Talk to you later.